Dear students, today we will learn about the story of village Palampur. We will learn basic concept relating to production by reading this chapter. So let's read and learn more. Thank you. Village Palampur. To introduce some basic concepts relating to production, small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport are carried out on a limited scale in the village. Various resources combine to produce the desired goods and services in the village. Palampur is a small village well connected with neighboring villages and towns like Raiganj. Bullock carts, tongas, bogies, motorcycles, jeeps, tractors and trucks. Types of visible transport facilities are available on the road of Palampur. This village has two primary and one high school and also has a primary health center run by government and one private dispensary. About 450 different caste families are living there. Out of them, 80 upper caste families have land majority in this village. One third of total population is covered by scheduled caste. Most of the houses have electric connection. Small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping and farming are the production activities of the village. Organizations of production. The goal of organization goods and services, land, labor, capital are required for production. Natural resources fulfill the requirement of land and water. Intensive industry, labor is required. For financial aid, capital is required. Capitals are also required for production. Working capital that includes raw materials and money in hand, and fixed capital that includes tools, machines, buildings. Like raw materials, money, and fixed capital includes tools, machines and buildings. We'll have to understand about it. Raw material that is required for on industry and for our working activities, that is our working capital and also money, and fixed capital that is unchanged, that tools, machines, building, capital. It means labor is also required for selling purpose, that is human capital. We will see farming in Palampur, which is based on some factors, that is land is fixed there, change in the method of cultivation, multiple cropping, modern farming method, sustainability of land, distribution of land, labor, capital and selling of farm products. Land is fixed means 75% of populations are dependent on farming in Palampur. Land area under cultivation is fixed. There has been no expansion in land area under cultivation since 1960. How will the production value will increase? That will see change in method of cultivation. Multiple cropping and modern farming method was a method of cultivation which was used in Palampur to increase the production from land, from the same piece of land. It is a method of multiple cropping is used in Palampur, that is cultivation of different types of crops in the same piece of land at the same or different time, that is known as multiple cropping. This is a cultivation of different types of crops in the same land or same piece of land or at the same or different time, different period. Example, jawar and bajra that growing during rainy season, potato is produced between October and December and wheat is produced during winter season. Modern farming method. In this type of farming, high yielding varieties seeds are used, HYB seeds are used. As a result, Same piece of land produces larger quantities of food grains. India, farmers of Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh were first to try out the modern farming method. They were using high yielding varieties of seeds. Introduction of green revolution that facilitated the cultivation of wheat, rice using high yielding variety of seeds instead of traditional seeds, and the HYB seeds are high yielding varieties of seeds are capable of producing more amount of grain on one plant. What is sustainability of land? According to a scientific report, in modern farming, natural resources are overused. Groundwater, rivers and lakes are polluted by the way of using chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers also kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil which are essential and helpful for growth of plants. Decreased the fertility of land too. Then distribution of land. About 1/3 of the 450 families are landless in Palampur. 240 families cultivate small plots of land, that is 2 hectares in size, and remaining 60 families cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. The large farmers, they cultivate 10 hectares or more than 10 hectares of land. About the distribution of land, labor. Some farmers are worked on their own land and some worked on another land for which they receive wage or salaries. Wages can be in cash or in kind. Wages vary from region to region, crop to crop, and one farm activity to another. These were deferred in this way. Capital. Huge capital is required in the method of modern farming method. In the modern farming, small farmers have a lack of capital. They borrow money from large farmers and money lenders at higher rate of interest. There are 3 types of capital which are mostly used in any organizations, that is working capital, fixed capital and human capital. Selling of farm products. Surplus products are sold to medium or large farmers by small farmers. Medium and large farmers sell their surplus directly to the market. The traders buy the products from market and sell the products to shopkeepers in the towns and cities. There are some non-farm activities in Palampur. 25% of total population is engaged in non-farm activities in Palampur. Small scale manufacturing. In Palampur, small scale manufacturing is done. Basically, the work is carried out at home or in the fields with the help of family labor. So, labor is hired rarely there in small scale manufacturing. Transporting. People and goods are ferried from one place to another through transporting services. For this service, the worker get paid. In Palampur, road is made of transportation. The Palampur was a well-connected village. Dairy is also a major source of earning money in Palampur. Dairy is a type of business where harvesting or processing of animal milk are done mostly from cow and buffaloes. It means cows and buffaloes were also rearing there in village Palampur. Then shopkeeping. Shopkeeping is also a source of earning money in Palampur. Shopkeepers earn money by selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soaps, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pen, pencil, even some cloth and some goods which are used in our daily life. Here shopkeeper is an individual who runs the shop. This is also on non-farm activities in village Palampur. So guys, this is all about the story of village Palampur. Hope it is helpful. Read well, learn well. Thank you.